Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform. I'm going to show you an easy way to split a column in Excel. First, let's drag our Excel file onto Easy Data Transform. Here we can see we've got a very simple file with a list of emails and a list of full names. And we want to split the full name into the separate components, title, first name and last name. For that, we're going to need a split columns transform. And we want to split the full name column using a space delimiter. And now we can see we have 3 additional columns. Let's get rid of this original column. We can now output to a new Excel file. Choose Excel format, and then let's look at the file. Let's save this transform file to use again. If we want to transform a whole load of files, we can do so using batch mode. We just change this to a wildcard. We could also change the sheet to a wildcard to process every sheet. See our batch processing video for more details. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. Download a free trial from our website now.